Hi everyone, and welcome to a gorgeous little steep mountain creek in the mountains of Colorado. This creek has waterfalls on it. You can see one of them kind of through the trees, through the bushes there. I think there are at least a few of some size along this creek here somewhere. I actually didn't know that there were waterfalls on this creek. I had just scoped it out online and it looked good, and so this is kind of a fun surprise. This is the rod that I'll be fishing with. This is the Wildwater Shorty Zoom. It can be fished at, let's see, 7 feet and 8 feet. It's a zoom rod, so it can be fished at 2 lengths. And this is a relatively affordable rod. I think it's around $100. I've fished with it once before and liked it. It's a nice, soft little rod. And then my fly is somewhere here. Yeah, this is what I'll be fishing with today. It's got a silver holographic tinsel body, white hackle, and then a red ball of yarn underneath that. So, should be fun. I have not fished this creek before, but I have fished a nearby creek, and I caught all brook trout there. So I'm guessing that's what we'll find in this creek. But you never know, do you? This is a very soft rod. I don't know if you can see really how easily this bends, but very soft rod. Got one. Oh! The fish came up to it. I was keeping the fly on the surface, and the fish came up and grabbed it, or tried to grab it, but missed, I guess. Fish on. Oh! Okay, that's two takes. No fish landed. Fish on! No! That's amazing, it's a cutthroat. Awesome! I thought for sure it was gonna be all brook trout. I believe there are Colorado River cutthroat trout in this drainage, so that's what this is. Very nice. See ya, buddy. Nice. Fish on, another one. In the same area. Is it also a cutthroat? Let's see. No, that's a brook trout. Huh. See ya, buddy. Okay, those two fish all came from that one pool over there. Let's go up to the next one. Fish on. It's another brook trout. This thing's kind of weird. Looks like an old water pipe or something. Anyway, brook trout. Fly is out. See ya, buddy. Wow, look at this. This is just paradise. Gorgeous pools with waterfalls. This is amazing. Okay, let's focus on the task at hand though. Let's catch a couple more fish. Like that. That's a brook trout. See ya, buddy. Okay. This looks awesome. Got one. It's a brook trout. Fly is out. See ya, buddy. Wow. Fish on. Oh man. I lost it. Fish on. That's a nice one. Oh, got it. Looks like another cutthroat. This is, of course, a native fish for these parts. Beautiful. Okay, can I go higher? I think I can. I think I'll crawl up there. But then to get above the waterfall, I'll have to go either up this way or up this way somewhere. But first, let's go see if there's a pool right underneath the falls that I can fish. Yeah, this isn't really fishable in here, so I'm gonna climb up and around and go on top of the waterfall. What a beautiful place, though. I feel like I'm crawling through a jungle. I hope this works. I hope this is a viable route. Oh, okay. Whew. Beautiful country, nice mountain views, nice waterfall views. Let's see if I can hook back around to the left and get back to the creek. Oh, wow. Let's see, what am I looking at here? Okay, that down there is the main waterfall. This is another waterfall. That large pool, I've just bypassed it. I don't know if I can get down there. No. Not from this side. I can reach that pool, but I need to cross the creek and then go down over that way, which I might do, but let's worry about this one first. Let's see if we can catch anything out of here. Then above this, it looks like the creek just becomes a normal creek again. I think this is all the main waterfall section right in here. Yeah, I think this will work. Again, I'm trying to get down to this just massive pool here. I think I can down climb this. The rock seems solid enough. The dirt, not so much, but the rock, yes. Okay. Oh, we did it. We made it. And the reward is this beautiful, beautiful pool. Now, let's see if there are fish in here. I just need one fish out of here. That's all I ask. But I'm not getting anything. If I were fishing weighted flies, I could get deeper into this pool faster. but I'm not, so I need to just kind of work with what I've got here. Maybe there aren't any fish above this main waterfall, I don't know. Well, that's surprising. I thought for sure I'd be able to get something out of here. Again, I think there are probably fish down deep, but I can't get my fly down in there. I cast into the waterfall and the fly just gets spit out really fast. I'm gonna figure out a way out of here, and I'm gonna climb back up to above this waterfall. I want to see if there are fish above here anywhere. So let me do that, and then I'll meet back up with you guys above the falls here. All right, back above the waterfalls now. It feels good because it's much quieter. Those waterfalls are beautiful, but it's like, you know, roaring in your ears. It's nice to feel a little bit more tranquility here. But the question remains, are there fish above the waterfalls? There we go. Oh, I had one. I had a fish. So there are fish up here. I thought there probably would be, but you never know. It's a brook trout, not a native fish. And so at some point they were planted above here. I think this might go to a lake too. So the fish were probably planted in the lake. See ya, buddy. Ooh, had one on briefly. See if we can get it again. Yes, got him. See you, buddy. Oh, a fish went for it. I saw the fish. Yes. Yeah, another brook trout. See you, buddy. Got him. I was focused on the fly. Oh, am I stuck? I think the fish spat the hook and I got stuck on a log or a twig. Yep. But yeah, I was focused on the fly. I can see the white hackle pretty well in the water. And so I was focused on that and I saw it go down, then I saw it just disappear. And then I knew I had a fish on. All right, let's catch one more. It's been a fun adventure, but I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'm happy with the fish that I've caught here today. So let's get one more, and we'll call it quits. There we go. Oh! That's a good-sized fish and a good fighter. Got him. Nice fish to end on. Fly just popped out. That's a cool fly. I've never really fished with that color combination before. Wow, this is a That's a good one. See you, buddy. And so it was fun to fish with that, and it obviously works. It caught 13 fish. What a fun adventure this was, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I fished for about an hour and 20 minutes and caught 13 fish. And I also really enjoyed fishing with this rod. It's a great little rod, actually. Like, for a kind of generic Chinese made Tenkara rod, it's really good. It's very soft, very sensitive, just a lot of fun to fish with. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.